Hello, everyone. My name is Trent Powell, and I want to thank you for joining my webinar where we're going to discuss a true work from home opportunity for everyone. And when I say everyone, I truly mean it. Someone who is a homemaker or who has a part-time or full-time job, a college student, someone who's retired. Anyone can do this opportunity that I'm about to share with you. I'm trying to keep this webinar to around 15 minutes, so please just do me the favor and stick it out. Stay the full 15 minutes, and I promise you everything you hear will be well worth your time. A little bit about us. We are Envision, and we're a Medicare insurance agency. We have been in business roughly 10 years. We're licensed in all 50 states. We work with hundreds and hundreds of agents throughout the U.S. We've helped over 30,000 clients, and something we're really proud of. We've been one of the top Medicare insurance agencies in the United States 5 years in a row. What is the company's core focus? Well, here at Envision, we educate seniors how to navigate and enroll in Medicare health insurance plans known as Medicare Advantage or Medicare Supplements. Now, many people don't really know what Medicare is, besides the fact that they see a portion of our paychecks being removed, paying into Medicare. So let me explain to you briefly what Medicare is. Basically, Medicare is the federal health insurance program for people who are 65 or older, certain younger people with disabilities, and people with end-stage renal disease or permanent kidney failure. What happens is when any of these people in the United States become eligible or have meet one of these criterias, they can apply for something called Original Medicare. And Original Medicare consists of Part A, Part B, and Part D. And really what happens is Medicare only is going to cover 80% for people's hospital stays, doctor visits, and other medical expenses, but the beneficiary is still stuck on the hook for the remaining 20%. And if you think about that, 20% of any type of a surgery or medical bill could be a lot of money, which could really bankrupt a person. To help cover this 20%, we educate and we ultimately help enroll these beneficiaries on a Medicare Part C plan, which is also called Medicare Advantage. Most counties in the United States, almost all counties in the United States, offer a Medicare Advantage plan at zero cost. Some counties will have it at a minimal monthly cost. But can you believe that? You can help educate someone who's eligible for Medicare about these Medicare Advantage costs that really will cost them zero to very minimal each month. And it will protect them against the 20% expenses that they are left with. So what a blessing we can be for these different people. We are currently in something called the era of the baby boomers. So really, what's the opportunity as a Medicare insurance agent? Why should we even begin to look into this? Well, as of 2017, over 50 million people qualify for Medicare benefits. And this number is supposed to increase to 79 million people by 2030. That means roughly 10,000 people a day, or someone every 8 seconds, is becoming eligible for Medicare. They're turning 65. Well, don't forget about the other people, some with disabilities who are eligible to be on Medicare, and some with end-stage renal disease. So the sky's the limit. There's plenty of opportunity for us for the next years and years to be in this industry. And here's a very scary fact, but over 70% of the people who are on Medicare, they have no coverage to help protect themselves from the 20% insurance that we just spoke about, the 20% insurance that Original Medicare doesn't cover. So 70% of the people in the United States on a Medicare plan currently are at risk to be billed for the other 20%. That is just an incredible number. And so that's why today we're talking on this webinar. Again, I promise to keep it brief. We're talking on this webinar about the opportunity to be a Medicare insurance agent. Now, don't forget two main facts so far. So far, you've learned that there is a healthcare plan we can offer people that is virtually free or is free in many counties in the U.S. And we've also talked about there are an unlimited amount of leads that we're going to be receiving for the next years and years and years. In fact, there's more leads than there are agents in the United States for this opportunity. So real quick, let me talk briefly about going to school to become a Medicare insurance agent. To start off, how much does schooling cost to become a licensed insurance agent? We have an awesome program, and the program we have, no one else has. We offer a one-time $99 fee for 20 hours of online classes. These online classes are required in order for you to go and take a state exam, which you need to become a licensed insurance agent. And to help motivate a person, we say, hey, if you can finish these 20 hours in 14 days or less, we'll actually refund you half of it. So you really can't beat that. The risk is so minimal here with just some of your commitment to do the schooling and to study, to take some of the pre-exam, pre-final exam tests. You can do all of this for $49 if you think about it. And then you just can't beat that out there. And we really pride ourselves on offering different students this opportunity. After you study and you go take the state exam, you pass the state exam, you then go to the state, you get a real true license with the state that you're in. And if you think about it, this just really validates this opportunity here. It's not a scam. It's not just a lot of those work from home opportunities we've heard about during our careers, our lives. It's a real opportunity to be licensed as a insurance agent in the state you currently reside. There are some other fees after the schooling. You have to take a state exam, you have to get licensed and some fingerprinting, and there's some other things that we can talk about down the road. But what a great opportunity for you right now, where the sky's the limit on your potential. So I get a question many times where people say, I don't have any experience with sales. Can I still succeed in this industry? And I want to tell you, absolutely. One of the other wonderful things about the Medicare industry currently is you cannot go door to door and you cannot cold call. So if you think about that for a second, it's really removing the whole salesy tactics that we've seen so much in our lives. What you have to learn to do is create referral networks inside the Medicare opportunity. What local companies can you partner with who benefit from a client who is on Medicare? And we have a great program called Feet on the Street. We teach you how to create these referral opportunities in your local areas, from food banks to going to grocery stores, servicing clients walking by, to working with dentists and doctors and chiropractors. I mean, there's a whole list of different people that you can work with, and we train you how to do this. We offer that to you for free. It's a wonderful program, and it's really set us apart from the other agents in the industry. The average agent today sells roughly 3.5 enrollments a month. Our agents, I'm so excited to say, they do 17.5 a month on average. How awesome is that? Now, obviously, this depends on your time that you can commit to this each day, but I just want you to know that the opportunity is here. Our training is incredible. You don't have to have a sales background. In fact, you don't have to be very salesy. But if you follow our training program, you will find success in this industry. There's 4 ways to earn income in this industry I want to speak about today. The first one is a residual income that you will earn for personal enrollments. Now, a residual income many of us haven't seen throughout our careers. What that means is what you earn today, you will be paid on tomorrow. So a quick example, if you earn $1,000 today, next year, you would start with $1,000 already in your book of business, your clients you've already signed up. So you keep building upon this income. So if you're a hustler out there and you're earning $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 your first year, you more or less start with that the following year. Now, don't get me wrong. There's something called attrition. You will have some clients that unfortunately pass away. Some clients might move states. Some clients may just choose, to not be with you. But the average client stays currently with an agent for 4.9 years. Which means many of them stay for years and years and years with that agent. It's an awesome opportunity to be involved with a residual income. Now, again, jumping back to this first way to earn money, it's on personal enrollments. Everything you do, you will receive $180 for that enrollment, and we pay you that broken out over 12 months. So you receive $15 per month for as long as the client stays on the plan with you. So if you sign up 100 people in a year, you will begin to receive 100 times $15 every single month for as long as they stay on the plan with you. So if they stay on the plan with you for 5 years and you keep adding 100 people a year, you can just see how that residual income grows for you every single month. It's a steady income. you think about it, if you wake up and you're sick one day, you don't have to go out and work. You create your own schedule here. We are your mentor, your support piece. We're here to really help you be successful with our training. Another way to earn money is you actually receive a bonus. It's not a residual income. It's a bonus that you receive and you get paid up front. And it's for something called a true up. But in layman's terms, if a client has never been on a Medicare program before, you will earn an additional $180 bonus on that person. And we estimate on our book of business that we receive each year, about 40% of all of our clients qualify for that, which means our agents receive a $180 bonus. It's incredible. You can't beat that. You cannot find a program like this anywhere else. I mean, where can you start a business where you have unlimited amount of clients? It doesn't cost very much to start this business, and you have a free training program, and you can go out and earn residual income. Tell me where else you can find something like this. It's just not out there, guys. And then we offer some other ways to earn money. We have something called a team building and group building recruit system. If you share this wonderful opportunity with other people and they join, they become a licensed insurance agent as well, guess what? You begin to earn $24 for every enrollment they do. We break that over 12 months, just like personal enrollments, and you get paid $2 per month for as long as the client is on that plan. So think about that. You're earning money for yourself. You're sharing this incredible, real opportunity with your friends and family, anybody you meet. Any one of those people who then wants to jump on board, you will begin to receive $24 for them. And guess what? If they do it, the same thing replicates. They can also earn money. And everyone they recruit, you will earn an additional $12 a year for every enrollment they do, which is $1 a month. It's incredible. You cannot beat that. And we just really want to say thank you to you as our agents for helping us grow our company. And that's why we give you these little bonuses, these residuals that you can continue to earn and that continue to grow. Do the math again on that, right? If your recruit does 100 enrollments in a year, do the math. How much will you earn? How much will your residual income grow? You're now earning money on people for their efforts simply as a thank you for helping bring them onto our agency, for sharing the opportunity. And we even offer you one more thing, which I mentioned a second ago, called group building. As you begin to recruit people and they recruit people, the moment anywhere below you and the moment anywhere that direct line to you grows to 25 plus people, you now earn more money. And I want to share that with you, and you guys can call me and ask me more details about that. But it's additional income. It is just a wonderful opportunity right now to go out and earn some income. If you don't want to recruit anybody, no big deal. Okay, that is totally up to you. Again, we just want to offer this to our agents to say thank you for sharing the opportunity. Thank you for sharing our company name with other people. So another question I receive a lot is, how much residual commission can I expect to earn my first year if I'm focusing on this full time? So remember, you could do this an hour a week, you could do it 10 hours a week, you could do it 60 hours a week. You can focus on this as much or as little as you desire. Our average agents are earning $24,000 to $40,000, and we do have agents that earn more their very first year. But I'm an open book. I want to share the truth with everybody. I want you to come into this with true expectations. So that's why I share with you $24,000 to $40,000. Again, absolutely, we do have agents that do more than that. And keep in mind, this $24,000 to $40,000, it does not include anything you could earn on any recruit you bring into this business. So keep that in your back pocket. The sky is the limit. If you do your own personal production and bring on 10 people, 20 people that year, you're going to earn a lot of money. You're going to be very happy. In fact, wherever you are in the United States, you'll fly down here, and I hope you take me to a steak dinner. I'd appreciate that as a thank you. But we love our agents. We love this opportunity in this industry, and we just want to share it with everybody we can. And we've realized that it's easier to share this if our agents are happy, because they'll go share it with other people. That is our goal, and that's what we're trying to do. So I promised you that this wouldn't be a very long webinar. There's a lot more to learn. There's a lot more to hear. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to answer any questions that you have. If you're interested and ready to get going, we'd love to sign you up on this online schooling program. You can do it from anywhere in the United States remotely. You work at your own pace. We're here to support you. We're here to make you successful. And as I've mentioned before, please, if this is of any interest to you or you know of someone that this might benefit and change their lives, please share it with them. We have so many testimonials from our clients and our agents who have truly had their lives changed from this program. Either our clients, their lives are changing because now they're getting their health care benefits covered for virtually no cost or no cost in many counties. And then our agents, their lives are being changed because they're out, they're educating seniors and people eligible to be on Medicare plans for free. They're educating them on this wonderful opportunity. They're being paid for it, and the pay is a residual income. I really appreciate you guys joining this webinar. Again, my name is Trent Powell. Here's my phone number. Call me if you want, 480-757-0195. Text me, email me at trent@envisionys.com. Visit our website, envisionys.com. It may forward over to our parent company, which is Senior Med Solutions. Don't worry about that. We are all the same company. We are here to support you and help you. If you're interested in signing up for school, you can do it right now while you're listening to this webinar. Feel free to call me. I'll answer any questions, and I can sign you up live on the phone as well. Thank you, everyone, for being here today, and look forward to hearing from you.